Hi there. My name is Ovis Ebrahimpour. I'm an AEC technologist. In another word, I'm a tech nerd, a specialist in technology implementation inside AEC industry. I appreciate Mr. Mortazavi for the great presentation. And in this part, we're going to discuss the technology impact on AEC industry. We're going to specifically focus on XR and XR implementation inside mechanical systems and how we can apply it and benefit from it. So let's get into it. So there are many technologies and innovations available today for AEC industries, such as digital twins, 3D printing, XR, which we're going to discuss, and 3D scan, AI, pixel streamings, etc. And all of these are impactful and full of potentials. However, in this today's conversation, and especially in this part, we're gonna focus and discuss on XR, which stands for virtual realities, augmented realities, and mixed realities, which is a combination of AR and VR. So XR in AEC industry has so many potential. It's been around for a while now, maybe more than other technologies, and that's why we're gonna discuss this specific subject. It can help teams to collaborate, design, and it can help for on-site construction, supervision, real estate, and presentation, training experts in different fields, and it has limitless potential for such a major industry. But in HVAC and mechanical system of a building, it has the most potential, as a mechanical system is the heart of a building and the most complex part of a building. So how we can and when we can implement this technology? We can implement it in design, coordinating, equipment placement, construction, and maintenance or repairment, which we're gonna discuss each one in the follow-up. Here you can see a panorama to check it using this old ancient VR headset. As you can see, this is the first time we did such study. And it was 2019, Sin Hospital, located in Mashhad. Well, in that time, it was a great deal for us because we could go on site when it's only the structure, and we could easily put the headset on and see the mechanical system and HVAC system in real time and how it is coordinated and how the design is working. So in the design process, we can benefit from this technology because we can get a better understanding in equipment placement, especially in places with low space. For example, we have a mechanical room. The client had concerns about the space for placing equipment, as he was concerning there may not be enough space for maintenance and repairments in future to come. What we did was it was research and development, a case study. We scanned the whole space using LiDAR sensors and LiDAR technologies. Then we imported that scan space into Oculus Quest 2. We created a virtual environment using data scan, and we loaded all the needed equipment so the design team could place the equipment in real time. They could just grab a building room and place it in where they thought it's best. After that, we exported the results, the equipment placements and did the piping. We coordinated in Revit and we export the final documentation, as you can see here. And another phase we can benefit from XR technologies is coordinating. In real time, you can find and document clashes and errors just by looking around. And in a matter of 10 minutes, you can walk around the whole project and detect clashes. Here's an example. We've modeled a residential building and imported it into Oculus Quest. So, as you can see, all I'm doing is walking around the project and looking around. And whenever I find a clash, such as here, I just easily document it so I can send it back to the design team later for a new revision. The next phase is collaboration. Imagine you're doing a project with an onboard team in another city or maybe another country. There is no need to travel, as you can easily just go into your project and discuss the design, take notes, make changes, discuss how the design can get better, just in real time and in the comfort of your own office, only by using a VR headset. You can import the space, the Revit model, and walk around that space, see the detail, all the information, and collaborate. The next phase is construction. This phase is where contractors get the most benefits because they can just see how the mechanical system is applied into the design and how it is coordinated. They can see the details and information of each independent part and pipes. They can see the dimensions. Just easily, they can see how the mechanical system is applied into that space and how it is designed. After that, here comes the maintenance and repairment. So the mechanical system of building needs maintenance in a routine time to time. And for a project such as this one, which I have on the screen, as you can see, it's a mechanical room, a boiler room of a commercial building, which we've designed on Revit. And by the way, all the examples I've provided for you are VR, but we have AR examples which are more efficient and more beneficial as they provide a better visual representation. Here we have a complex mechanical system, and in the coming years, who's responsible for maintenance of this mechanical system and equipment may get confused, and by the ease of just scanning a QR code, they can access all documents, all the information on each part of this design. And even if we want to think further, with the implementation of and combination of this technology and digital twins, the guy responsible for maintenance, they can just see the real-time state of each independent, and they can detect errors and problems sooner. More efficient, faster, cheaper. So how we can implement this technology? We can implement it through web and by embedding available for our team, public and clients. We can create XR headset environment for our team to collaborate, to do designs, do revision, do concepts, do equipment placements. We can create our own application for our own specific needs and apply different functions into our designs for AR, VR, or even mixed realities. So there is no end to the technology implementation on AEC industries, especially in mechanical system designs on HVAC. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation and I could bring something new and interesting on the table. I appreciate your attention and I wish you all the best of luck. Good luck.